Hey guys, so I want to show you guys how to do something really cool here. Check this out. So we're just going to go ahead and use a template. What you want to make sure that you do is you have your background set as transparent. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do mobile. I'm going to pick the iPhone X, go back to transparent, hit create. There we go. So now I have this canvas, right? Well, I wanted to drop in and make a money pattern, something that was funny, something that kind of had some comedy to it. And I found this really funny thing on Adobe stock that I'll show you here. And it is this guy. I can make it bigger. I found Benjamin Franklin with a mask. It's kind of where we're at in society now, right? So I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. Stick that right there. I'm just going to place it in the middle. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit M on your keyboard or Control M for some of you guys that are on a PC. I'm on a Mac, as you can probably tell. You're going to use your marquee tool. Now I'm just going to click and select this. I'm going to go right up to the edge. See, I have kind of light. I have my smart guides on there. I'm just going to bring it over just a little bit so there's not too much space around it. Now that I have that selected, I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to scroll down to define pattern. I'm going to call this Ben Mask. Okay. Now I've got this as a pattern saving here. I can hit Command D or Control D on my keyboard. And I'm going to right click on this, hit rasterize layer. It's just something I like to do. Create a new layer just by hitting the plus sign down there. Turn this off. Now that once this is turned off, you can go ahead and go to Edit, Fill. See, I already have it selected here. You're going to see foreground is probably your standard. Then you'll hit Pattern. Once you hit Pattern, you're going to want to make sure that you hit this little script button. And then you're going to want to make sure that you hit Random Fill. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to hit OK. And it's going to pull up this little dialog Random Fill window. There's a custom layout. There's some defaults, things that I'm sure that you can do, but I'm using a custom layout. And I want to give you a quick example. Yours may look different. It may have a different density. It may have something different here. You can see how many pixels, right? How many I want in here. I'm going to go ahead and pick something like kind of right in the middle, like 5, because I want quite a few of them on this background. And then what you want to make sure as well is that your minimum scale factor is matched up, because if it's not, what you're going to see here, if I just go like this, see how you're going to have some bills that are really large and some bills that are really small. If you want this thing to look somewhat realistic, then you want to make sure they're matched up. And now this could be both at 3, right? Now they're both big, or this could be both at 1, and they could be a little bit smaller. Just click off there. There you go. But you want to make sure they're matched up. So I'm going to just go ahead and do 1.5 and 1.5 on both of these. Color randomness. Now this is going to adjust the colors. You can see there's some different shades. If you want them all to look the same, you can keep them the same. If you just want a slight color adjustment, there we go, like that. You can adjust it, and then there's also random brightness. So you can have certain things be darker, certain things be lighter. I want to give it a little bit of depth to it, so they're not all exactly the same. So we'll just go to 0.1 there, and then we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and boom, look at that. I got a background that I could use as my iPhone or my Android phone, whatever. You can save this thing and export this custom pattern. Now you can do this with any kind of pattern, smiley faces, emojis, your funny face, whatever you want to make. And this is a really great way to make patterns. It's really fast. It's really easy. And I just wanted to share some cool tips with you guys on how to do this for yourself. So if you have any questions, definitely drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless. And as always, keep looking up.